Alam nyo nung una ko nakita tong Twisted Minds roster na to, by the way, kakalabas lang nito just a few minutes ago. I was like, okay, may bitaw sila ah. Kumpara nung nakaraang dalawang seasons, syempre kasi mga bagets-bagets pa, first time sa liga. To think na ngayon, tong Twisted Minds roster ay meron ng mga familiar faces, gives me the notion that they might make some noise this season 18. Let's start with the players and the coaches that they've retained. Andyan si Tracy, yung roamer na pinasok ng week 2 ng season 17, and then Twisted decided like, okay, you're actually good. We're gonna keep going with you. At si Sean, na sa unang pagsalang niya ay naging rookie of the season. He knows what he's doing. He's very smart. Maanghang din siya sumagot, which is great for a player. At si Lansu, who I would say is the outstanding player of the season para sa Twisted Minds from S17. So yun yung tatlong kinip nila. Idadagdag ko na rin pala si Coach Eson, who will still be serving as the assistant coach ng Twisted Minds. Meron naman silang 4 na dinagdag. Number 1 is si Kurt. I'm not sure if this is the same Super Kurt na naging analyst or naging assistant coach sa mga MDL teams. Yun kasi yung nare-research ko from him eh. I don't know him personally, so any comments, I would love to know more about him. Pangalawa ay si Sensui. This is Sensui's second chance with Twisted Minds. Ito yata yung second team na meron silang pinabalik after nilang i-release. Kasi sa AP Brand, di ba, nandun si Lord JM na umalis na dati tapos bumalik ulit. There's probably just a few questions sa isip ng Twisted. And I think the main question ay kung kaya niya ba maging proficient in terms of assassins. Wala siyang kapalitan ngayon. Wala si MP dito. Hindi to kaya nung unang salta niya dito sa Twisted. Pagdating sa utility, sure, palo talaga tong si Sensui. Pero yung proficiency niya sa paggamit ng mga assassins, yan ang pakiramdam ko nagigisahin ng mga tao at yan yung kailangan niyang patunayan sa ating lahat. The third addition ay si Coach Lyric. Si Coach Lyric ay isang Pilipino coach na nasa Twisted Minds din naman before. Pero sa MENA, nandun siya mula nung September 2023. Bumalik siya dito after almost 3 years of being abroad. He finally got his recognition and he will now be serving as the head coach of the team. And I think the biggest upgrade ng Twisted Minds for this season ay si Benny Cutie. Pagkatapos malaglag ng TNC ng season 17, I saw a post from him. He was already looking for a team and he's pretty serious about it. Paramdam ko kailangan niya rin ng bagong environment eh. Kailangan niya ng isang team na never niya pang nagiging kakampi before. And I think this is perfect. You got Sean, Tracy, Lansu, yung Twisted Minds Remainers na gustong makabasag ng kanilang first round playoff exit curse. Tapos nandyan din si Coach Lyric tsaka si Sensui. Pati na rin si Kurt na gustong patunayan na upgrade yung pagkuha sa kanila. Which is something I would definitely like to see for Season 18.